Hello, Washington Eagles. We are so excited to have you here participating in the Hour of Code 2020. Just what is the Hour of Code 2020? The Hour of Code is part of the celebration of the Computer Science Education Week that is held every year in December. The Computer Science Education Week works to promote jobs and careers in computer science. As you know, computers are everywhere. And computers use a language called code to know what to do, to communicate with each other, and to complete all the tasks that computers and technology use around us. So today, you'll get a chance to learn more about computer coding by doing a few of these activities on this choice board. All right, let's take a look at some of our choices here. Now, some of these might be tricky, but I know that you will put forth your eagle effort and give it a try. And if you find one that you like, I hope that you will try it again and again. So let's start up at the top. The first option for grown-ups at home is an unplugged option. These are options that do not require technology. So if you're choosing not to have your student on a device, that you can click here. And here are some activities you can do that do not use the tablet or the iPad or the Chromebook. The second option is your very own coding course for students in kindergarten, first and second grade. So let's take a look here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And when I open it up, it looks a little scary. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on this orange button that says Try Now. So when I click on the orange button, it takes me here to these directions. Now, I can have the directions read to me. Some of the screens have an icon that looks like this, and some have a play button, and it will read to me. So let's go ahead and click OK. It says, click the block. I'm going to click it. And now I've done what I need to do. Let me click continue. And here I'm on number 2. You'll see here, boys and girls and grown-ups, that I have this play button. Let me
drag the block to the target.
It tells me to drag the block to the target. I'm going to click OK and click and drag. It gets trickier as you go on, but follow all the directions and you'll get to see how to do some computer coding. So that's another choice. Let's go back to our choice board. We also have another website option. This is called Code Monkey Junior. So when I click on this link, it will take me to this page, and I'm going to click on this button that says Start Playing. When I click Start Playing, then my banana will load up my screen. And while there's no words, look, there's a monkey finger telling me what to do. So I'm going to click here and then click here. And now the monkey gets the treasure. I will go through all of the steps just following the directions. All right, there's another option called AI for Oceans. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. So let's click on that. This will take me through some directions. There's a video that you can watch, and then click the continue button. And then there are directions. This one does require a little bit of reading to go through the steps. So it's all about training the robot to identify what is fish and what is not fish. So the first thing is I need to click anywhere on the screen to continue. This is AI, and I'm going to go through all the steps and follow the directions. Now, another option we have is one of my favorite characters, Arthur. And this is a pattern activity where I can look at the patterns of Planet Pal. So you'll click here on play and then follow the directions. It will read to you and tell you what to do. And now the bottom row. Now these are a little bit more of a challenge, but I know some of you Washington Eagles are up for the challenge. So the first option is to code your own dance party. When I click there, it will take me to a tutorial with videos and directions. The same thing is true for Minecraft, for any of you who love Minecraft. And there are 3 different options here. You can pick any of these to choose from. And then finally, this one's really tricky, but I know some of you like a challenge. So on this one, it's going to open up what looks like a Google document. Click on this blue Make a Copy, and then you're going to follow the directions to make your own ice cream cone. If I move over here on the side, there are videos and all sorts of things I can see. If I scroll over, there are directions telling me what to do. So you can go through all of those steps. So Washington Eagles, those are our choices for Hour of Code. I hope you find one you enjoy. And if you find one you really love, I hope that you will try it again and again. Have a great Hour of Code, Washington Eagles.